Hi, I'm Christy here at ADU in Linthicum. We're here today to talk about the all-in-one washer and dryer. This unit saves you space because you have one unit, not two. It's a really easy to use unit. It is only hooked up to 110 to a water line and to a drain. You do not have to hook it up to venting. It doesn't get vented. Today we're going to show you how it works. So we're going to go ahead and put some laundry inside of it and show you how it works. I'm going to put in a towel. I have 4 pairs of jeans. A lot of space in this unit. I believe it's 4.8 cubic feet. And then I'm going to put in 3 shirts. Still a lot of space. I have already put in an entire tub of Tide liquid detergent, up to 50 ounces in this unit. You shut it, and then you don't have to refill it for about 6 months, at least with my usage. And I have 5 kids, so it's a pretty big family. So before we start, I'm going to show you the lint filter. So this side of this is the lint filter. It collects all of your lint. This side tells you about how it dries. This actually collects all of the water. This uses heat pump technology for drying, so you don't actually have a vent for it. So it collects all of the water in here and it literally drains it out of the machine. That is how the unit works. Now the laundry's done. And they're nice and toasty and warm. Look, completely dry. Not only did it come out really dry, there is a lot of space in here. You can put a king size comforter and it will wash and dry all in one. But what's really, really great about this is a microban seal, so it kind of keeps away any kind of mold, but it also is dry. So you won't have that really gross smelling seal that you usually have with front loaders because it's dry.